And here we are again. So next day now, although it was cloudy and raining actually when we left this morning, the sun where we are is out and not a cloud in the sky. So lovely and blue. So we've just come down to the glacier, which we visited a few years ago now, and it was really fantastic then. So obviously one of the real problems is the glaciers are receding, so we thought we'd come down and have a look and see whether we could notice any changes, and plus it's a fantastic place just to visit, go for a walk, and have a look around. So see if we can do a bit of video, maybe take some photos and show you later. Video much there, just because it's just so incredible. Just taken lots of photographs. Hopefully some of those will come out quite decent. But it's just incredible. Just in it, you just sort of can't really describe it. Just how fantastic it looks. The icebergs look brilliant. The water's lovely and flat, so there should be some good reflections in some of the photos. But yeah, wow, just incredible. We've just driven back down the road and we are near one of the more main waterfalls. Skógafoss, that's all it is. Okay, but we've decided to stop and park and go for a bit of a walk. We've not been to this waterfall before. It's up a little canyon, so we've just parked up and going for a walk now, just to have a look and see what this one looks like. How was it? Was it good?
Yeah, it's funny.